Five. 5 minutes. Can you give me 5 minutes? So if this is the year that you are saying, once and for all, I'm going to get my house under control, I'm going to find a way to make this home more manageable in an easier way. If you have 5 minutes a day, I am going to teach you how to keep your home cleaner every single day throughout this year. So I am going to attach in the description our 21-day couch to clean challenge. And this challenge is designed to teach you how to keep your home clean in as little as 5-minute bursts of cleaning a day. And you will find times throughout the day where maybe you're kind of slacking. Maybe you're kind of taking it easy. Now, I am all for listening to your body and resting when you need to, but whenever I find myself in an opportune time to do little 5-minute bursts of cleaning, I seize those opportunities. Perfect opportunities to do this is when I go into the kitchen and I am preheating the oven to pop my pizza rolls or something into the oven. And during those 5 to 10 minutes, I will take that little 5-minute burst to just do whatever I can in the kitchen. So in our 21-day couch to clean challenge, we kind of go into some more details and take it to the next level to actually get your home into a condition where you can really maintain it and keep it clean. Whether you are completely new to cleaning, maybe you just turned 18, maybe you just moved out for the first time, or maybe you always had somebody, maybe a partner, they're not around anymore for whatever reason, that always did that for you or did those tasks for you, and now you're kind of freaking out like, oh, do I have to spend all this money on a housekeeper? For those of you who are new to our community here, hi, I am Stephanie, and I teach people how to keep their homes cleaner with less effort, and I also teach aspiring cleaning professionals like myself how to earn incredible money on a part-time basis. So if you are ready to join our community here, just go ahead and click the link above, or I will try to go ahead and put it right in our pinned comments below. But I wanted to just share this with you. If you're maybe your New Year's resolution or just a new goal that you had set for yourself, whether you're watching this at New Year's time or just any time that you really are wanting to make some positive changes for yourself. And as always, I am always here to support your growth. So stay connected with us and help this video get out to others that are like yourself, that are looking for that easy path to getting their homes cleaner without paying somebody else to do it. So like, share, comment, subscribe, all the things. We are here in this community to support you and your growth.